Good morning, students. Some students they are asking question number 12 and 14 of miscellaneous exercise of matrices. So I am discussing those questions today. If A and B are square matrices of same order such that AB equal to BA, this is given to you. Then prove by induction that AB raised to the power n equal to B raised to the power n multiplied by A. And further you have to prove that AB whole to the power n equal to A to the power n, B to the power n for all natural numbers n. Now we will prove it by induction. So to prove the first part, that is A B to the power n equal to B to the power n into A, we will take the left hand side, and for n equal to 1, left hand side becomes A B to the power 1, that is AB, and the right hand side becomes B to the power 1 A, that is B into A. But we are given that BA is equal to AB, so we replace it by AB, so right hand side becomes AB and the left hand side is also AB. It means it is true for n is equal to 1. Now let it be true for n is equal to k. So it becomes A B to the power k equal B to the power k into A. To prove it, it is true for n equal to k plus 1. So what is to prove? Let us write it first, that is A B to the power k plus 1 is equal to B to the power k plus 1 into A. Take the left hand side. Left hand side is A B to the power k plus 1, that is A B to the power k into. Now using 1, A B to the power k can be replaced by B to the power k into A. So A B ki power k is equal to B k A into B. You can write it as BK into AB. Now AB is given equal to BA, so you can write it as BK into B into A, that is B to the power k plus 1 into A, which is the right hand side of 2, that is equal to right hand side of 2. That is what we have to prove. Means it is true for n is equal to k plus 1, therefore it is true for every n by principle of mathematical induction. Now the second part is to prove AB raised to the power n equal an B raised to the power n for every n belonging to n. Again we will prove it by induction. So for n equal to 1, left hand side becomes AB to the power 1, that is AB, and the right hand side is A to the power 1 B to the power 1, that is AB. So left hand side equal right hand side, it means it is true for n equal to 1. Now let it be true for n is equal to k. It becomes AB raised to the power k equal A to the power k B to the power k. Now we have to prove it for n equal k plus 1. That is what we have to prove. AB raised to the power k plus 1 is equal A raised to the power k plus 1 B raised to the power k plus 1. Now AB raised to the power k plus 1 means AB raised to the power k into AB. Split the powers and using 1 you will get AB raised to the power k is A raised to the power k B raised to the power k AB. Now you are given AB equal BA, Therefore, you can write a to the power k, b raised to the power k, ba. Now bk into b becomes b to the power k plus 1 into a. Now in the first part we have proved that b raised to the power n into a equal to ab to the power n. Therefore, using first part, you can write it as ak into a b to the power k plus 1. So it becomes ak plus 1 b to the power k plus 1. That is the right hand side of 2. Therefore, it is true for n equal to k plus 1 also. Hence, it is true for every value of n. Therefore, it is true for n equal k plus 1. Therefore, ab raised to the power n is equal to an bn for every n by principle of mathematical induction. Now 14th question is, if A matrix is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then A is diagonal matrix or zero matrix or square matrix or none of these. Now A is symmetric matrix. A is symmetric matrix. Therefore, A equal to A dash, and A is skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, A dash is equal to minus A is equal to A dash. Now subtract the two equations. You will get 1 minus 2 twice A is equal to 0. So A matrix is equal to this 0 means 0 matrix, because A dash is a matrix and this is also a matrix, so it will be a null matrix. So A is equal to null matrix. Thank you.